Welcome back, children, with our chapter 2 number system mathematics. Okay, let's start with number system. What is a number system? The number system is the system of representing numbers. We write numbers with combination of 10 symbols: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These symbols are called digits. With these digits, the combination of these digits makes a number. There are two number systems. One is Indian number system, another one is international. Let's read about Indian number system. It is also known as Hindu-Arabic number system. This is the place value chart that we use in Indian number system. Place value tells us the value of each digit in a numeral based on its position. A place value chart helps us to recognize large numbers. We read place value chart from right in groups of 3 and further in groups of 2. The place value chart have been separated into groups called periods, that is ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. This is the picture of Indian place value chart. You can see the first line is of periods, then second is place values. Each period has been divided into different place values. Like ones has been divided into 3 place values, ones, tens, 100. Thousand has been divided into 2 place values, 1000, 10,000. Lakh has been divided into 2 place values, lakhs and 10 lakhs and so on. We divide these place values as per the periods so that we can put the commas between the numbers and we can recognize the number. We always start putting the commas from the right hand side with the formula using 3 2 2 2. That means we will place in Indian place value chart, we will place first comma before 3 digits, then 2 digits, then 2 digits, then 2 digits. Let's read this number according to Indian place value chart 1356245. This is the Indian place value chart. I will start placing my numbers from ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Now I can easily read it with the help of the periods given above: 13 lakhs, 56,245, and I can place the commas also: 13, 56, 245. Now represent the following number on the Indian place value chart and write it using commas and then write it in words. 72120. I will place this number in the place value chart starting from the ones place value: 0, 2, 1, 2, 7. So I can read it as 72,120. That means I have to place my comma after 72. 72, 120, 72,120 in words. Now this is the place value chart and these are few questions which you can practice on your own. Now let us start with our next topic, international number system. This is the place value chart for international number system. The place values changes in international place number system. Ones, tens, 100, then it becomes 1000, 10,000, 100,000 instead of lakhs, and then it becomes millions, 10 millions, 100 millions instead of 10 lakhs or crores. International place value chart. International place value chart. The place value that is used in many countries of the world is called international place value chart. To understand the place value of each digit, we put the number in place value chart so that we can identify each digit. In international system, we start grouping the number from right in group of 3 called period, and we put comma or space after each period to make the number easily readable. This is international place value chart. You can see the periods have been divided into 3 groups: ones, thousands and millions, and each period has been divided into 3 place values. Like ones has been divided into ones, tens, 100, thousand has been divided into 1000, 10,000, hundreds, millions has been divided into million, 10 millions and 100 millions. Let's read this number according to international place value chart. 3425676. We will use our international place value chart. We will start placing the number 6, 7, 6, 5, 2, 4, 3. Now I can read it very easily: 3,425,676. Now represent the following numbers on the international place value chart and write it using commas and then write it in words. 210605. I will place my number digits in the place value chart 506012. Now I can easily place the commas because 210 and 605 has been divided by thousands and ones period. So it can be written as 210,605 and it can be read as 210,605. You can practice these questions at your home. Now let's have our next topic, place value and face value. Place value and face value of a digit. We have learned in the previous class that the place value of a digit depends on its position in the number, but the place value of the digit remains the same. Find the place value of each digit in the number 230568. Number 230568. The place value of 8 is 8 ones, 6 tens, 5 hundreds, 0 thousands, 3 ten thousands and 2 lakhs. Place values are: place value of 8 is 8, 6 is 60, 5 is 50, 0 is 0, 3 is 3000 and 2 is 2 lakh. 3 10,000, 2 is 2 lakh. Find the place value and face value of 3 and 9 in the number 306987. This is my place value chart. We usually use Indian place value chart. Now, I have placed my number in the place value chart. My 3 is at lakhs place value and my 9 is at hundreds place value. 3 appears at the lakhs place in 306987. So the place value of 3 is 3 lakhs, that is 3 lakh. 9 appears at the hundred place in 306987. The place value of 9 is 9 hundreds, that is 900. Face value of digit is same as the digits, so face value of 3 is 3 and 9 is 9. You can try these questions at your home. Expanded and standard form. Expanded form. We have learned in standard 3 how to write a given 4 or 5 digit number in expanded form. Here we shall use the same method and write a 6 and 7 digit number in an expanded form. In expanded form, we expand each digit of a number to its place value. 6 digits number. Let's see expanded form of the number 429123. This is the place value chart. Place the numbers in the place value chart: 3, 2, 1, 4, 9, 2, 4. This can be expanded in 3 different ways: 4 lakhs plus 2 ten thousands plus 9 thousands plus 1 hundreds plus 2 tens plus 3 ones, or 4 multiplied by 1 lakh plus 2 multiplied by 10,000, 2 multiplied by 10,000 plus 9 multiplied by 1,000 plus 1 multiplied by 100 plus 2 multiplied by 10 plus 3 multiplied by 1. 4 lakh plus 20,000 plus 9,000 plus 100 plus 20 plus 3. Standard form. Standard form is the short form of the expanded notation of the number. For example, 4 lakh plus 60,000 plus 4,000 plus 400 plus 60 plus 7 will become 4,64,467. 7 digit number. A new place 10 lakhs is added under a lakhs period in the place value chart for 7 digit number. For writing a 7 digit number, group the digits according to the periods and place commas to separate the periods. 2134575 is written as 21,34,575. The expanded form of 2134575 is 210 lakh plus 1 lakhs plus 3 ten thousands plus 4 thousands plus 5 hundreds plus 7 tens plus 5 ones, or 20 lakhs plus 1 lakh plus 30,000 plus 4,000 plus 500 plus 70 plus 5. Representing numbers on abacus. For example, we have to represent 734951. What we are going to do, we are going to place the beads, the number of beads given in the given spikes of the place values. In ones we will place 1 bead, in tens we will place 5, 9 in hundreds, 4 in thousands, 3 in 10,000s and 7 in lakhs. This is how we represent the numbers on abacus. 7 digit number on abacus. For example, 2734951. Again, we will represent our abacus this way. Write 491605 in expanded form. This is the place value chart. We will place the values in the place value chart and we will be able to write the it in the expanded form in the given way. Write in short form. Very easy to write in short form. You can try these questions at your home also. This is the way how to write in short form. Now comparing and ordering numbers. Comparing numbers with different numbers of digits. The numbers having less number of digits are always smaller than the number having more number of digits. Example, 54,000 is smaller than 1,58,000 because 54,000 is having 5 digits, whereas 1,58,000 is having 6 digits. Which is greater, 587, 054 or 64139? We will place the numbers, the digits in the place value charts, and we will find out the comparison. First number is of 6 digits and the other one is of 5 digits. That means the number with 6 digits is the greater one. That means 5,87,054 is the greatest digit. Comparing numbers with the same number of digits. If both the numbers have the same number of digits, then we compare the digits from the extreme left to find the first place where they differ. Example, compare 42567 and 55567. First of all, we will place the digits in the place value chart. Both the numbers have same number of digits, so we will start comparing their first digits. First, compare the digits in 10,000s place. Here digits differ. 4 and 5 are in 10,000s place. Now 5 is greater than 4, therefore 55,567 is the greater number. Start comparing digits with the greatest place value. If both the digits are same, then compare the digits at the next place on the right. Continue until you get different digits at the same place. The number with the greater digit at this place is the greatest number. For example, compare the given digits, the given number. Place the digits in the place value chart. We see the first digits of both the number is same. 7 is equal to same. So we will compare the second place value, that is 10,000, 5 and 2. 5 is greater than 2, that means 7,58,254 is the greater number. This is one more example. You need to move on to the next place values till you get the different number. Ordering of a number, ascending and descending order. Ascending order. Arranging the numbers from smallest to the greatest is known as increasing order or ascending number. Descending order. Arranging the number from greatest to the smallest is known as decreasing order or descending order. Arrange the numbers in ascending and descending orders. You need to follow some steps. First of all, step 1. Find the smallest and the greatest number. 2487 has the least number of digits, so it is the smallest number. 397431 has the most number of digits, so it is the greatest number. Step 2. Now compare the other numbers. The remaining numbers are 34,192 and 34,610. But these numbers have the same number of digits. They also have the same digits at the 10,000s and thousands place. So we will compare the digits at the 100 place, that is 1 and 6. Out of 1 and 6, 6 is greater. Therefore, 34,610 is greater. Ascending order of the number is 2487, 34192, 34610, 397431. We always arrange the ascending order in the increasing order, and descending is the vice versa of ascending